So today I'm going to tell you how to get a relatively free Shop Vac. And the reason I say relatively is, as you probably know, you never get something for nothing. However, there are a lot of times you can take advantage of certain pricing structures to get more than what some companies want to give you. And in this case, I wound up with a free Shop Vac. So first, let me give you a little background on this story. This is my old Shop Vac. Now, there's actually nothing wrong with this Shop Vac, except I made a Shop Vac 101 mistake, and we were sanding the floors in this room, and I went to clean up the dust with it, and I forgot to put a dust collection bag in it, which basically destroyed my filter. So as you can see, it is a disgusting mess. Now, some of you out there might say, well, you know, you can just go blow that off and clean it up. Yeah, I could do that, and I might be able to save this filter a little bit. But there was also some broken glass inside the mess because we were redoing a bathroom, and that's clogged in the filter. I just didn't want to mess with it, so I need to get a new filter, and that's where everything started. First off, let me show you the Shop Vac that we're going to try to get for free, or relatively free. So this is the Rigid HD 1200 Shop Vac. It is a 12-gallon wet-dry vac, and it's very similar to the one I already had, which was also a 12-gallon Shop Vac. Now this is a more recent model, so it's a slight update, and this is how we got it down to a total cost of $0. So let's start with the filter on this. The first filter that we'll look at is a normal filter, and this filter comes with Shop Vacs and costs about $19. Then again, with all the dust around here, the second type of filter might actually be a better one. Well, I know it's a better one because it's a HEPA filter, and it filters a lot more particulate out, and it's a lot better for you. Now, these filters are more expensive and cost about $31. So you see where I'm going right now, is that if I was go out and just buy a filter, now a regular filter being 20 bucks, that's 20 bucks towards the cost of a new Shop Vac, since the Shop Vac comes with the normal filter. And our target Shop Vac model that we were talking about is about $80. So right away, just the filter alone takes the total cost of the Shop Vac down to 60 bucks. So it's a little bit of a savings on a second Shop Vac. A HEPA filter is a better variety. So let's go with the $30 and say I'm not going to buy the normal filter, I'm going to buy that HEPA filter. I also need the dust bags. Now those dust bags cost $27 for a 2-pack. Now if I take this together and I buy it alone with the HEPA filter, that comes to a total about $58 and change. Now, there is a great deal going on right now where you can buy a pack that includes 2 bags and the HEPA filter for a total of $49.97, so that's 50 bucks. I can go out and save the money, pay the 50 bucks, and I got everything that I need to get my old Shop Vac going again. However, I was doing some work on the bathroom, and everyone knows bathrooms are tight spaces, and lugging the whole Shop Vac into the bathroom was a giant pain in the neck. So I'd like to get a second hose to make the hose longer. That way I can keep the Shop Vac outside the bathroom and easily vacuum and clean up everything inside without having to lug this back and forth to the tiny door and take up space in the bathroom. So now if you take the cost of the hose, which is $23, and you add that to the previous cost of the normal filter, we are a little bit over $40, which is approximately half the price of the new Shop Vac, which comes with both of those items. So now we're getting really close to that 80 bucks of the actual Shop Vac. Though here is the key, and now right now there is a special promotion going on at Home Depot for this Shop Vac, the new Shop Vac I'm talking about, and that promo comes with the HEPA kit bags for free. So it's almost a no-brainer. I can go ahead, buy the new Shop Vac, get the HEPA filter, the 2 bags for free. It comes with the hose. And I also get a whole other set of accessories, another regular filter, and another Shop Vac to boot. So that's how I relatively got a free Shop Vac. And I'm very happy I did because, you know, 1 Shop Vac is fine, but 2 Shop Vacs is always better. If you like this video and like to see more in the future, make sure you hit that like button below. And even better, come on and subscribe to our channel. And if you hit that little notification button, we'll make sure we tell you every time we come out with new content. So until next time, happy shopping, and I hope you enjoy your relatively free Shop Vac.